how to track your orders on Pandabuy. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Pandabuy application. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials. Now, tap on the account option on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the option for ordered. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all your delivered and ongoing orders. If you cannot find your order here, then go ahead and tap on the search bar on top of your screen and enter your order name or your order number or the order item number and tap on the search bar and you will be able to view and track your order. So, this is how you can track your orders on Pandabuy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.